Let's take a look at the recipe for this low-calorie dish. Rinse 150 g of konjac noodles with water, drain, and set aside. 15 g of ginger, 55 g of garlic, and 5 g of chili peppers, finely chopped and set aside. Next, prepare the sauce. Heat oil in the pot, stir-fry the chopped ginger, garlic, and chili, and set aside the sauce. Place the konjac noodles and scallops on a plate, drizzle with the sauce, and steam in a pot for 10 minutes. Now you can enjoy this delicious dish.